Come on, Ma. Come on. You can do that in the toy house. Hello, hello, everyone. If you're new to my channel, I am La Swan. And also all the other family members. Hey girl, hey girl. You know I love y'all. You know I love y'all. But today it's Monday. The kids ain't at school. That's why Lamar with me. I had to come run to Target and grab some milk and things because you know it snowed. That's why our girl is bundled up on it. I am bundled up.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. So today's actually a Monday.
Oh wait.
Today's a Monday, and since it was like winter time and it's snowing badly outside, we are not going to school. Plus it's like 12 o'clock.
And we bundled up. Girl, it snowed so hard last night. I had to show the car the snow this morning. And then I'm gonna show you guys that later. I don't know why this thing is so dark. Wait a minute, y'all. Excuse me. Lamar, do you see anything you want? Girl, yes, my son all bundled up too, honey. It's cold outside.
I don't see anything that costs $10.
Well, of course not.
Besides this, that I'm not buying.
Okay, so Lamar wanted to go buy one of these Google Play cards, but I don't know why he's in this aisle. Where we going, Lamar? We came in here for some milk, some grapes, and that's it. Oh, good God, really? Girl, you see that price? $49.99. This ain't expensive.
It gets
It's
a lot
rich
of
from my
things.
blood.
It gets a lot.
But it's Legos. Lamar, what are you getting? Are you trying to buy a toy right now? Doggone shame. I came in here for two things and two things only. And we're in the doggone toy aisle. Talking about kids being spoiled. Is this what you're looking at, Lamar? Minecraft everything?
Oh wow.
What?
This Lego Jurassic World is literally only worth that many pieces.
$129.
$129.99.
Okay.
That's $130. Oh wow, look at my
Say, excuse me, Lamar.
sorry.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. That's all right. Let me come by, Lamar.
Am I wrong with that?
I'm sorry. Okay, come on. What you getting? The Legos aisle. Oh, Lamar, look. Do you have to get a toy right now?
I can only buy something worth $8 because I don't want to waste my
Okay, well,
special
don't waste
bill.
your money then. Oh, you are definitely not going to waste your $2 bill.
I can't waste my special bill.
Okay, you sure can. So can we go now?
No.
You just have to spend some money, huh?
Yeah.
You don't need a fidget spinner. You have plenty of those.
No, I do not.
Yeah, you do.
Can't find the thing. Here I go.
Come on.
No.
Okay, boy, let's go. You don't find nothing. Okay, girl, look. I know I look a little busted. Girl, let me see. Lips all crusty. Look at that. Oh, Lord, I need to do better. We're talking about just running outside to go and get some milk. And it is supposed to snow later, too. And, girl, I gotta work tomorrow. Oh, my Oh my goodness. I'm not ready. We'll wait till you guys see what it look like outside. It look crazy. But we are about to come on, Lamar. Let's go. We're about to go get this milk and these some grapes. Oh, Lamar, you said if you couldn't find what you were looking for, you wanted to get some eggnog, right? So let's go get some eggnog and let's go. Come on. So we're headed over to the milk department right now to grab some milk and then head out the store. And then I'll catch you guys when I get outside. Yeah. I forgot to show you guys what it looks like outside right now. It looks a hot mess. Hot mess. Let me find out that car right there is stuck. Let me find out. Don't look at this out here, you guys. Oh well.